Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. You see her walking down the boulevard. She got the posture.
You and I were about to go on a bike ride around town. I live downtown, so will we go uptown? Will we go further downtown? Will we go to Brooklyn? Who knows? We're just gonna let the night lead us wherever it wants us to be. I just put on as much moisturizer as my face could possibly handle for those harsh weather conditions I'm about to face outside. It's probably gonna be brisk and it's gonna be cold, so I'm ready. I am astonished and so excited about the way that my Wildflower Cases unboxing video is growing. It is so rewarding to see my hard work on YouTube paying off. So if you haven't seen that, please go ahead and watch that after this video.
Oh, when the sun goes down, and when I come around, oh, when the sun goes down, and when I come around, baby, I'm on mission. Gotta find my space. I've got the world to see, led by only intuition. Girl, there's not a trace. I'm only counting on me. Oh, when the sun goes down, and when I come around, oh, when the sun goes down, and when I come around, oh, when the sun goes down, and when I come around, oh, when the sun goes down.
Hey guys, so my bike ride was interesting for sure. I'm about to prepare my little dinner for one and eat and go to bed, and I'll talk to you tomorrow. A little bit of broccoli and cheese, mesquite chicken wings because I couldn't find any turkey legs. The mashed potatoes look so bomb.
Baby, it's 2:30.
So I'm just gonna do a little fall clothing haul of some items that I actually received a couple of weeks ago, but I wanted to show you guys here on YouTube before I start using them. And then we are gonna go over to Sephora because I need to pick up my hair vitamins that I've been taking for the last couple of months. They've been helping me so much. They've been helping my bangs to grow out. I know you guys don't know what they really looked like before because I kind of always have my bangs back since I didn't like how short they were, but they're looking a lot better now because my hair is growing. So yeah, I've got to get some more of those vitamins to keep the growth going. And then after that, I'm going to the gym, which is why I don't have any makeup on. For these fall clothing pieces, I wanted to make sure I was buying things that were versatile, that were high quality for a reasonable price, and of course that I can get a lot of use out of. So that's what you're gonna see. Guys, I know in this angle you can see all the laundry behind me that I need to fold, which I will do. I'll get to that later. But right now I want to get those boxes from the packages we're about to go through out of the way, one thing at a time.
Wish that you were here.
So guys, what I got was another very comfortable oversized tee. How stinking cute is this, guys? I love the color. I'm obsessed with this color, and it has horses on it. I mean, I thought that was kind of cute. I thought that was really cute, actually.
To me, I'll just keep on drinking till the sun comes up.
Look at that, guys. Isn't that so cute? It's a reusable nylon bag. Too cute, guys. Just too cute. And it's really big. I would highly recommend Baggu for your reusable bags. They just do the cutest, most kitsch prints, and they're just a lot of fun. Fun. Alright, the first thing is this really cute jacket. I hope it fit the way I want it to. This is a cream oatmeal color oversized jacket. I just put it on a hanger so you can see it a little bit better. I'm gonna try it on for you as well. So for this I clipped my hair up because this is the kind of fabric, this wool fabric will kind of snag and pull your hair a little bit, which will cause breakage. So when I wear this out, I would have to clip my hair up, which is fine. It's good for the days where you're gonna do that anyway. So let me know what you guys think about this because I might return it. I have something that almost looks identical, so you let me know.
Afraid to be alone. What do I need to do to get some time with you? I'd rather be half involved and missing all of you. Drinking till the sun comes up. Better than feeling like I need your love.
This is what I have that's similar. Very similar. Only the new one is a little bit lighter in color. The new one has flat pockets. This one does not. They're both from H&M. Yeah, they're really similar. You let me know if I should keep both though. I would wear both, but do I need both? The pockets on the darker one are a little bit more oversized. The lighter one is lined, whereas the darker one is not.
Wish that you were here with me.
It's really sheer. Wow, that is super sheer.
These nights are,
But that's why it should work perfect as a layering piece.
that's not how it's supposed to be.
And it has a mock neckline, and it's this beautiful sage green color with very chic ruching detailing.
The most to me.
And it's the type of top that hits me at my hip bone.
The sun comes up. Better than feeling like I need your love. Dancing.
What a beautiful color. It's a wool sweater, alpaca wool. What a pretty shade of green. This sweater is extremely soft, but I am gonna have to wear it with some sort of layering piece under because wool is extremely itchy on my skin. That's why in my last video I was scratching my neck so much because I should have been wearing a layering piece under it, one that protects all of my skin from the wool. Wool is so warm, but it's just so itchy. However, that's why I still wear it because it keeps me so warm. As far as winter fabrics that keep you warm, wool does a great job with somehow usually still maintaining a lower price point as opposed to cashmere and other more expensive fabrics that are not itchy but that are typically really pricey. This top is more of a light sage, whereas this sweater is more of a rich, warm sage. V-neck sweater. Oh, this is so soft. So soft and oversized. That is perfect. Just perfect.
Baby, it's 2:30 and I should probably.
Another wool alpaca sweater. I believe those two sweaters were in the same collection, the sage green and this cream one. So I did buy a couple of tops to layer under these, as well as I can just wear those other tops on their own.
Feeling like I need your love. Dancing till my legs go numb.
So here are my layering pieces, guys, which are also tops that I could just wear by myself or without the sweater on top, I mean. With a little bit of spandex in it. And I really feel like this black one and the white one, they're going to be extremely comfortable.
Baby, it's 4:30.
White and black cotton blend tees are winter essentials. You need long sleeve tees for the winter. I don't care what anyone says. Okay, so this is everything. I'm gonna put it away on my clothing rack behind me, and then we're gonna go over to Sephora.
That's not how it's supposed to be. Yeah, I can't stop thinking about you. Yeah, my body forgot how to move. Girl, you took the most of me.
And I just have a couple of more items to show you from H&M, recent-ish stuff. this tea from the Sandra Mansauer collection that they did a month and a half ago at H&M. I recall this tea only being $17.99. I thought it was a great price for a really nice quality oversized tea in a cream color with black detailing. I should have probably steamed or ironed this for you guys, but here we are. I wore this just once so far. From the same Sandra Mansauer collection, we have this sheer top. It's completely see-through, so I did buy a little black tank top from H&M to wear under this as well. It has these beautiful sunflowers that are embroidered. And it's really cute. I plan on pairing this with some leggings, that black undertop to wear with it, and some boots. That will be a real cute fall winter outfit. And we also have this really beautiful oversized top. I think it's some gauze type of material, but this is really cute to pair with leggings, crop leggings of course, or flared leggings, aka yoga pants.
Some time with you, I'd rather be half involved and missing all of you. Drinking till the sun comes.
I also purchased 2 of the Tony Moly sheet masks, as you can see, but I already used them because wearing mask in the gym the last 3 weeks that I've been going has been making my face go crazy, as you can see. When I'm working out for 2 hours and I'm wearing this mask over my face, so much sweat and bacteria is building up under my mask. It's ridiculous, and it's making me break out so much in the places where the masks go. Right on my chin, right in the center, but I need to work out. I'm on a weight loss mission, and I'm gonna do a whole video series regarding that, and I'm gonna take you guys along with me for those of you who want to be on a weight loss journey as well, getting extra healthy journey, but wearing mask in the gym is not it. So I'm gonna have to figure out an alternative to that because I'm not feeling all the whiteheads I've been getting.
I just came here just to let you know I couldn't hide it inside no more. I tried so hard not to let it show, but I need your love.
Slide into your mind so silky. Up under the down we fly.
The Crate and Barrel to buy these 2 glasses that I've been looking to buy for a few months now. Just came back in stock.
Of what our life would be like if we were dreaming and together we were wishing. Cause now I'm living in the city and you're back home, and all I'm doing is I'm singing. Yes, I'm singing. Oh, I don't feel how I used to anymore. I don't hear from you like I used to anymore. Let's run it back and kick it like we used to. Or call me back and tell me something new.
Alright guys, so I have everything that I need. Let's go home before I'm too tempted to go into that Museum of Ice Cream store and buy something I really shouldn't be eating right now. You know what I mean?
Slide into your mind so silky.
Let me go in here and see if they have jackets for dogs. It's a long shot, but possibly.
Wanna love you. I just wanna love every inch of your body. Yeah. I just wanna love every time we say sorry. Yeah. Big it dad for your hand, girl. This is it. Sleeping on my love for a single ring with your name on it. And I ain't sorry, no, I just wanna love you. I just wanna love you. Yeah.
Guys, I eat this bag salad from Trader Joe's and I just found a bug in mine. So that was nasty, deeply in the bag. So trust me, I swear it's not mine. It's some sort of like fruit bug, but it was huge. Thank God I brought 2 of these. I'm about to get into this one. Jesus, take the wheel. Please let this be okay. So good, but if it is nasty, I will put it back in the bag.
I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back to who I was before. I like me better, I like me better, I like me better, yeah, yeah. I like me better, I like me better when I wasn't yours. I like me better, I like me better, yeah, yeah, yeah.
The good news is I'm working up a sweat, as you can see, because we are on a workout. The bad news is that sometimes the seats on these bikes lower themselves as you're pedaling, and I guess the pressure from your body. So I have to keep stopping and readjusting it.
But I have it. Now you wish that you had it. But all I gotta say back is, if I gotta choose me, I won't be afraid to. If I gotta choose me, I gotta do what I gotta do. When I love you, I lose me.
I'm working up even more of a sweat. This is my 3rd bike of the night. This is getting kind of ridiculous now. Hopefully 3rd time is a charm, because I just want to ride. I don't want to keep having to stop and park bikes whose seats can't stay up. Just came back from my bike ride. I worked up a little bit of a sweat. Nothing major. So I'm gonna do the dishes and maybe fold up that pile of clothes that's sitting on the couch. But if not, I'll do it first thing in the morning. I was working out for about 45 minutes, so something light, you know. Oh my God, you can see the sweat that I did. You can see my sweat. Alright y'all, so actually I'm sweating more than I thought I was. So shower, then dishes, then bed.